Hey Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm!
Boxycharm! It's actually Boxyluxe Day, and this is the best box we have ever gotten in all of the years that I have been with Boxycharm. The best box ever. And unfortunately, I believe this is the last box also, so that's kind of crappy. Coco's having a bad makeup day, so I gave her this set here from Tarte, and it has eyeshadow in it, and then it has this pull-out box that has a face palette, because
what is this one?
She did not like the way her makeup turned out, and we all have bad makeup days, just like bad hair days, so I figured this would cheer her up.
I want another present.
Of course she does. Okay, so before I start, I want to say that Patricia asked me to try this out and see how I liked it. It came, I think, in the last Boxycharm. And I'm wearing it today. First time wearing it. I like the coverage. I like how it feels. I like how it sits on the face. I could have used a different shade, but this one does, it works for me, but I could have used a different shade. So Patricia and anyone else who cares, I actually really do like this. I did return the Mario foundation that everyone raved about because honestly, it was horrible to me. And when I returned it, the girl at Sephora also agreed with me that she did not like it and did not understand the hype. That's not what this is about. Let's get into what this is about. This box is amazing. Amazing. Okay, first thing we have is from Iconic London, $55 multi-lip and cheek palette. Plastic packaging, but still pretty sturdy. And y'all, she is pretty. I did not open her. I did like a quick shorts or reels or something. I don't remember. But I did not swatch any of them, and now we are going to. Look how gorgeous this is. This is gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna do 3. Oh wow, it's creamy. I feel like this is definitely something you're gonna have to set. So this is the top row, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom row. This definitely feels more like a lipstick than a blush palette. Okay, I don't know how often I would use this as a blush palette because it would definitely just slide right off your face. You're gonna have to set this with a setting powder or a blush that's a similar shade. I generally like to do that too. I'm gonna wipe my lipstick off and then try one of these so we can see. So I've been using this lip treatment to lighten my lips, and you can, dude, you can tell my lips used to be way darker. So I'm gonna try this pinky shade.
Open it.
I'm just gonna look in the TV screen behind us.
Yeah.
All right.
Because I can see me.
Behind the camera. I feel like this is not working well. Okay. I use this shade, which I don't know what the name is, but it's actually pretty. It doesn't feel super hydrating. It feels like it's there, but barely there. It's a nice shade. I'm not mad at it. But also, I'm not gonna carry this around in my bag so that I can reapply. I'll try this as a blush, but I don't know about that. We got this brush set from Lys. It's a duo for $30. The blush I used today was Lys blush that we got in one of our random boxes, and I love the shade. It's like a berry shade. These are the brushes we got. This one is a Sculpt bronze brush, super soft, and then this is a foundation brush that Coco got into today. Coco. Then we got this from Drunk Elephant for $36. It is a TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. 10% AHA, BHA blend, plant oils, blah, blah, blah. I've tried like sample size things from this brand, but I haven't tried any of their hair products or used any of their products long term, but I would like to. I would have rather gotten a face product than a hair product, but I mean, I'm still gonna put this in the shower and try it. I can't smell anything. Oh, it kind of smells maybe chemical-ish. Oh, some popped out.
Ew.
It doesn't smell good. It smells like it works.
Ew, emotion.
I think you can just, you pop it off and then you just put it on your scalp.
Super disgusting.
It does kind of smell disgusting. Oh, it feels very gritty. Oh, it's a scrub for your scalp. That makes sense. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell good at all. Okay, y'all, I don't have my contacts, and I went to get an eye exam, my yearly eye exam, and my eyes are a lot worse than they were. So I ordered new glasses, and I have an appointment to get prescription contacts. The contacts that I normally wear were not prescription. I don't know if they made my eyes worse. I generally only wear them when I'm filming, but my eyes are a lot worse than they were last year when I went. So I've got new glasses coming. I've got my regular glasses here, and then I have an appointment to get contacts because I don't want to wear glasses all day every day, honestly, but I do want to have glasses for at night when I'm reading in bed or when I get up in the morning and I'm just in a rush. Just letting you know. I'm not mad at this lip color. I'm not mad at it. Anyway, I can't read how to do this. Even if I had glasses on, I would not be able to tell you the directions on this.
You don't have glasses.
Here it says...
That's the point.
That's the point.
Yeah, because you don't need glasses.
Yeah, I'm gonna get new ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then why not coming out?
They're coming soon. Okay, so it says supercharged AHA, BHA acid blend that breaks down and dissolves dead skin cells and styling product buildup while biodegradable, gentle exfoliants, beads sweep them all away. So I guess you just put it on here, scrub, and then wash your hair like you normally would. This writing is so small that even if I had my new glasses that are coming in, there's no way I could read that. No way. I don't know anyone who could read that, okay? Then we have this from Anastasia for $20. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Malt. This is what it looks like. It's just a brown shade. I will never use this. I'm not gonna open it because I want to put this in a giveaway for somebody who would actually use this. Also, heads up, TJ Maxx just had a grand opening here where I live and they had a ton of these. They're like $6. So it's kind of like, okay, they're really $20, but you could go get this for $6. Anyway, the next thing we have is from Tarte, and I do love Tarte products. So this is a drink of H2O. It retails for $40, $39. It says, wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer powered by electrolytes. It's deeply hydrating, blah, blah, blah. It's very wet. I think there's a topper thing, you know, the thing that goes on top and you lift it up, but it's just stuck in there. It smells minty or eucalyptus-y-ish.
It like
Oh, I still got sand stuff from that damn scrub. Feels very water-based. Maybe it's gonna like tingle and wake me up.
Oh, my brush fell.
Oh no. Y'all, this is seriously the best box ever. The next thing we got, seriously dude, we have Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow, okay? I've never heard of this, I've never tried it. Obviously I've never tried it because I've never heard of it, okay? Retails for $40. Have a minute? Glow big with no downtime. This 10% AHA alpha hydroxy acid treatment clarifies, purifies, hootifies, beautifies, and smooths your skin.
That's it.
No, that's not really what it says. I just made some of those words up. They're not even real words. So you get this liquid tonic thing.
How you put on your face?
Instant retexturizing glow. I don't think I smell anything. Do you smell anything?
No.
Me either. I'm not mad at that. And then you have this thing, and I don't know, maybe you put your hand in it and you do this. It's like stretches and you do this. What's the box say? Oh, there's no way I can read that. Let me try it with my glasses. I'm gonna try. I don't know if it's gonna work. Wet, reusable applicator and your face with water. Pour a small amount of solution onto the applicator and scrub your face for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse and use 2 times a week for best results. So,
2 weeks?
girl, yeah, 2 weeks, girl. We're gonna try that tonight. We got 2 more things. We have this from KVD. It is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner, and this retails for $22, and I got it in Trooper Black. Okay, I probably won't use this because I don't really use eyeliners like this. I prefer eyeshadows as a liner, but this is what it looks like. It's just black, and then you twist it up. We'll probably throw this into a giveaway. Maybe next month we'll do a giveaway. So is that what it is? They're saying that Boxy and Ipsy are merging, but really they're just canceling Boxycharm and we're just getting Ipsy. That's what's happening?
Yeah.
Oh, who told you that? How'd you know that was happening?
Audrey said it.
Oh, Audrey told you?
Yeah.
In pre-K? In pre-K 1 she told you that?
Yeah, because he thinks it is.
Oh, she thinks it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Audrey from Pre-K 1, shout out to you for telling Coco. The last thing we have, $38. Okay, is that an 8 or a 6? It could be a 38, it could be a 36. But we got this from Pat McGrath. Am I holding it upside down? No, I'm holding it correctly. Pat McGrath. Y'all, this is the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. This is what that baby looks like, and y'all, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. She is so pretty. And the thing is, okay, yeah, maybe this looks like a lot of other palettes you've seen, or you have palettes that have all of these shades. We all do, okay? I can guarantee you there's like 10 palettes in the drawer over there, in those drawers, that have these shades. Out of all of the Naked and chocolate bar palettes and all of those, I can guarantee you I could find all these shades like multiple times. But it's Pat McGrath, and her quality, chef's kiss. Okay, let's swatch them. Feels like cream. Feels like cream. Oh my God. Oh, yo, that's gorgeous. Okay, I ran out of fingers, but I'm just gonna do my thumb because I need them all. Oh my gosh.
That looks pretty.
Yes, girl, it does. Okay, that's the first shade. Hello. Pigment. Creamy.
I love creamy.
I do too, girl. Look at that, y'all.
Look at that one.
Pat McGrath, girl. Like, seriously, do you see the shimmer in these shades? I can't. I can't. I cannot even. Oh my gosh, look at this. That could be a really nice highlighter. I need a brush, and I need a brush immediately. Thank you. Let's just try this shade as a little highlighter and see.
Never.
Oh my God.
I love Halloween.
Oh, y'all. Look at that.
I love Halloween.
I love Halloween too. That's very random of you. Let's even it out in case I have somewhere I have to be today.
I saw Andre
Oh, yeah?
at the memory class.
Yeah.
At
Okay, book
Halloween.
fair. Yeah, this highlighter is gorgeous. It's not even a highlighter, but we made it one today. Okay, y'all, that's the box. Tell me this was not the best box ever. Literally the best box we have ever got. But anyway, if you haven't already,
Don't get to red to cry, comment,
click the bell and all those good things.
It's a notification cry.
Click subscribe, subscribers. Just not my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just not, dude. I need a paper wipe.
Here you go. Here you go. Yes. Sure you can get that.
Sure you can, girl.
But you don't want to don't get it.
I won't get it if I don't want it.
When you don't want anything, you can't get it.
I mean, I want stuff.
When you don't have stuff, you buy stuff.
Do you have money to buy stuff?
Maybe.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh, not me. It's not me. If people sent some super thanks, you slide the thing over, you see super thanks, you could actually send us money and then we could go and buy stuff. I've had that for a long time, but I never promoted it because I always feel like kind of awkward. But then someone was like, girl, do it. Everybody does it and they're getting all this money. And I'm like, what? People are getting money? I feel so awkward saying, hey, can you send me $1? I don't know, maybe it's just me. But I have a super thanks there if you want to send me $1.
Huh? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What?
You're crazy. You're funny, girl. You're funny.
Hi, Etsy. Today's Boxycharm to cry.
Subscribe.
Look at this. It looks like it's
That's her
full.
palette, her Marc Jacobs. You do look taller, but now that's a little bit better, right? Because you see we're like head to head.
You look not tall.
Like a giraffe. Ready to start the video?
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow of the colors. Because I look like the rainbow of the colors. Rainbow of the colors.
TLC Happy Salps.
Mama, look. You're not tall now. Wow. This is Coco and this is Mama. This looks like a kind of pink, but it's a lot of pink.
It's a lot of pink.
Yeah.
Coco said my eyelashes look dumb, and I would have to agree with her.
Because they're a little big.
Yeah, they're big. Do you want to try this Pat McGrath palette?
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe don't bother me, girl. Y'all, I'm gonna go back to the beauty school. I did the 50%, and then honestly, I just kind of got really depressed with life. not even gonna lie, got kind of depressed with life and other things were like more important. And the great thing about the makeup school that I'm going to is that I can take a 2-month break if I need to for mental health or work or family or whatever, and I can come back to it. So hopefully I'm gonna come back to it soon because I would like to finish it and learn some more. I've started like taking care of myself, so I'm watching what I eat now. I am trying to be more healthy so that, because I feel like it all starts with the body. I'm getting more sleep, and then hopefully by taking care of myself, I will have more energy. I will be able to be more productive, just be happier in life, and hopefully not go through these very high highs and very low lows that I've been going through. But I feel like it all starts with taking care of me first, so that's where I am at, and the school thing and everything. This was the Boxycharm. I am rambling. Click the subscribe button. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Cute? Yes, she looks cute. If you think she looks cute, like the video. And if you don't think she looks cute, then you're stupid.
Stupid. You are stupid now.
No, they're not stupid. Well, they would be if they didn't think you were cute, but okay, be nice, be nice.